What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We have a new modification. Stop, don't do that. We got a new modification, y'all.
Got your daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna go for an appearance mod this time around. As you see, say what's up.
What's up?
Say hey.
Hey.
Hey, YouTube.
Hi, dude.
We're gonna switch out this shifter for the automatic.
God, Mama.
And we're gonna swap it with, I'll get the company's name, but this is an Amazon shifter.
Daddy.
You see it's buttonless.
Bye.
I figured I'd go with something that matches this button. I sat in the back seat and I was like, stop. It's nice that it has a red button and all the gauges are kind of red, so real stop. I'm gonna just put this, we're gonna try to replace it, and you know, since it has a button, this has no button, you just push it down, so it'll be in, you press it down to go in the gear. So we're gonna pop this off and we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna watch Blanco NYC. I'm gonna watch his video as he takes off his, and look, hey, we're gonna mirror this thing, man. I don't know what kind of copyrights that might have, but shout out to Blanco for showing the TLs how to take this off of the 09s. But you got to, it's very simple, short 2-minute video. He pulled it back, put it in neutral, and then he slid this down. So he's sliding this down. Give me that. You're not doing it right. No, stop. Go to neutral. That pulled straight off. That was nice. That's easy. Shit, hold it like this. Then we got 2 screws. We got a screw back here. Oh, his had 2. I only have 1. Okay, he also popped this off. Okay. Take the little tool that it came with. Real, stop. Thank you. Okay, well, probably don't be as rough as me, because I think I just broke that. This is a learning process, you guys. So I do have 2 screws there. Dandy. Now, good thing I got my foot on the gear. Alright, y'all, so I got the screws off. Slides right off. Take what it came with, to put this here. This goes. show y'all what we got. Snatch this out.
Get out.
What it look like. My problem I'm having is, so I got this out. And then this is all it comes with is this
Daddy, did you make this?
and these.
Mama?
Problem I'm having is, that's the stock one, and then this is mine. It's smaller. It's much smaller. We're gonna see if that stops from putting this on, which I don't think it will. I think that still gets on there fine. Alright. Alright. I know it looked good. I'm gonna show y'all the functionality because I explained it, but no button. Yes, sir.